In this video, I'll show you how you can keep your chat clean on Kick. Whether you're a small streamer without active mods, or a large streamer whose mods can't read all messages. With this method, you can tidy up your chat very well and prevent unwanted messages. This is done using Kicklet. For those who are unfamiliar with Kicklet, it is a flexible tool that includes features such as a chatbot with commands, overlays, and even a moderation system. I'll show you how it works. After signing up for Kicklet, you can go to the Moderation tab in the main menu. Here we can set up everything we need. For example, I want to add some insults that shouldn't be written in my chat. I can add a new rule and give it a name. I'll just call it Violations. Underneath, we can configure a type. These are pretty straightforward. Contains is if a sentence contains a certain word anywhere. Starts with is if the message starts with that word, and ends with is if it ends with that word. Uppercase is for when someone writes in caps. And lastly, we have regular expressions. For those who don't know, regular expressions are a type of advanced syntax that allows for even more precise word filtering, like filtering a word even if someone has changed a letter. But for now, we're just going to set up a simple rule for filtering insults. So I choose the contains type. There's a checkbox for ignore case, meaning it doesn't matter if the word is written in uppercase or lowercase, it will always be recognized. On the left are all the settings for triggering the rule, meaning everything you set up on the left is meant to trigger the rule, and on the right, you can set up the action to be taken when the rule is triggered. Now, we'll add some insults. Let's just use noodle, muffin, and potato. These are the bad words that are no longer allowed on my channel. Now let's talk about the action I mentioned earlier. Here, you can choose between deleting the message, applying a timeout for a defined period, or even a permanent ban from your channel. Since these words are not too bad, I'll just have the message deleted. After saving, we see that the rule has been added and is immediately active. With a simple click on the on-off button, we can easily define whether a rule should be active or not. Since some people on my channel keep asking for follow, I'll add a rule for that as well. So we create a new rule, name it F4F, and add some keywords these people use. Here, I set the action to timeout and the length of the timeout to 10 minutes, as such requests are not tolerated in my chat. We press save again, and we're done. You have successfully added your rules. You can repeat this process with customized rules for your channel as needed. I wish you success in your streams with a clean chat, and I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a thumbs up to show it. See you next time.